Welcome to your weekly UAS news update. We have 3 stories for you this week. Anzu Raptor passes security checks, a mosquito busting drone, and finally SkyeBrowse new partnership with RSET. First, Anzu Robotics has successfully completed the White Knight Labs penetration test. A penetration testing of the Anzu Robotics includes static and dynamic traffic analysis, data transmission security, and removal of references to Chinese domains. These tests reinforce that the Raptor is actually a secure platform and that all the drone's data remains in the US Aloft Servers. If you want more information about this, we'll put a link down in the description. Next up, Nevada is using drones to combat mosquitoes. That's something that we actually need pretty badly as well here. What? The operation will dispense a granular product in remote areas where mosquitoes are prevalent to target the larvae of the mosquito. The unnamed product is traditionally dropped via helicopter away from residential areas, businesses, and buildings. There's no word on the particular drone that will be used at the moment for this mission, only that it measures 9 feet by 9 feet and carries 100 pounds of the anti-mosquito payload. We'll keep you updated if we see more of this, but I know a lot of states probably can use this. I used to live in Florida, and the mosquitoes over there were pretty bad. This is something that would be very useful. Last up is SkyeBrowse that has partnered with RSET. I hope this is how you say it, or RSET. If you're not familiar, RSET uses virtual reality to assist in training public safety and military customers. RSET will now accept SkyeBrowse models for disaster response training, active shooter drills, and firefighting exercises. Pretty awesome use of 3D models if you ask us, and congrats to our friends at SkyeBrowse. And finally, I'm excited to announce that we have our first winner to the drone photo contest that we've been having on the Pilot Institute community. The winner is Rodney Wells from Tennessee. You can see the picture here that won. We had over 400 submissions for this, and Rodney will be getting this awesome trophy that we designed specifically for this contest with his name and the month and the year. Very unique, and of course, bragging rights for being the first one to win. Also, he'll be getting a $250 gift card from us, so congratulations. And if you're interested in participating in the June photo contest, it will be released very soon. We'll be able to submit, and then we'll have voting by the end of the month. That's it. You have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday for the live. Am I low? Or am I about normal? Is the table high?
No, it looks good from here.
It looks normal, okay.